Dentcoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Dentcoin, guys. This video is going to be a very surprise video for all Dentcoin holder. And guys, first of all, I want congratulations to all Dentcoin holders, because after a long time I found Dentcoin positive, guys. And guys, if you know, is I predicated in my previous videos that Dentcoin price will pump in October. So guys, it is October, and now you can see here that the price of Dentcoin is in the positive mood. You can see here the changes is going positive, guys. Whole changes last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes of Dentcoin is positive, guys. So now they are in the pumping mode, guys. So this means that my prediction about Dentcoin is going accurate. So for more this type of accurate price prediction, please subscribe our channel. The right now price of Dentcoin is about 0.005062 USD dollar. That is right now price of Dentcoin. Let me show you price chart. Wow, congrats. Now you can see here in the right now situation also the price start a huge pump. Very fastly the price moving upward, guys. This start from 30 September, guys. Positive 18.52% changes in last 3 days. The changes is going very good, guys. So I suggest for my viewers, those people who's holding Dent, please hold for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.